Please introduce yourself first.
My name is Michelle. I'm here in the Philippines. I'm living in Enrile, Cagayan, Philippines. I am 38 years old. I'm already married. I am blessed with two kids. I have one daughter, 16 years old, and I have son, 14 years old. I finished college level, 2 years of Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education, major in English.
Okay,
My
because your
graduation.
English so good also. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
To disturb you. May I know your educational level? Can you repeat again?
I am college level, 2 years of Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education, major in English.
Oh, major in English. So,
Yes,
why you want to choose this major? Do you want to be a teacher?
yes, my course before was education teaching prophecy, and I want to teach, but because of financial problem, so I stopped and work for family support.
Okay, I understand because so many Philippine helper they cannot continue to study because of the financial problem. So, how many years you study
Yes,
in college? How many years?
2 years now.
2 years. Okay. 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 Where you work before?
Here in the Philippines, I have experience working for 2 years as a maid, housemaid, and I serve for members of the family, one couple, including two children. I also working as a domestic helper in United Arab Emirates for 5 years and 1 month with my first employer. I serve only couple, and with my second employer, same country but different in state. I also work with the 7 members of the family, including one couple, five children. That's it.
Okay. Okay. For the last job in UAE, you start working for this family since 2019 until 2023, 25. Just this year, you
Yes,
just go
ma'am.
back. Oh,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Uh, how many kids they have when you start working for them?
They have 5 kids, ma'am.
5 kids. How old are they when you start working there?
When I start working, they have 14 years old, 16 years old, 9 years old, 7 years old, and 1 year and 5 months.
Okay, so 4 kids.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
1 year, so 5 months, 7, 9, 16. Okay. So are you the only one helper in this family?
We are two, mom. We are two housemates.
Two housemate is also Filipino
It's Indonesia.
in Indonesia.
Indonesian.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
and you need to take care of two cat and a hamster.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Are you focusing on taking care of the 1 years or 5 months, or you focus on the teenager?
I focus on the 1 year and 5 months until she grow 5 years old, until she go to school. And
Okay.
also I take care for the three. I also take care for these three kids because they are girls. So
Mhm.
I focus on them because they are studying. I also included in my work is teaching. After their school, I teach them. I do tutorials also.
Oh, you also do the tutoring, right? Assignment.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
1 years old and half mom, 1 and half is a girl, and all girl in this family. They all
Yeah,
girl.
these three. Yes, ma'am. And two teenagers. This one, they are ages before was 14 and 16. And now they
Okay,
are already grown. It's 5 years. If after 5 years, they are already big. Yeah.
okay,
Because
okay,
I worked with them, it's 5 years.
okay. Very nice, and it's a big family. Middle East always have big family. And how about the
Yes, ma'am.
Indonesian worker? She is focusing on
Uh,
cooking.
we work together, ma'am. There are division of work. Sometimes take care of the baby, and sometimes working. We share together for work.
Okay, I see. And for the like tutoring, assisting their assignment, is you
It's me
right?
alone, ma'am.
Mm,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Okay, and for the 1.5 years old girl, she no need to go to school, right? She just stay at home.
Not yet before. So we focus on the taking care, feeding, changing diapers, like that. And also we teach how to sing ABCs, identify color, and of course we play with them like that. We encourage to do activities like energetic work and activities, so they will be together with their siblings.
Oh, okay, I see. So, can you sing me a song, like nursery song? Like what kind of song you sing with the baby girl? Can you show me?
Oh,
Like,
like five little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, and oh, you sing very well. And do you need to sleep with the baby girl, or you have your own room
I have my own room, but the kid loves to sleep with me. So I sleep with the baby, with the kid.
with the kid? 7 years old one.
Yes. The small one, and also the 5 years old, 7 years old before, because when they are young, they are 5 years old, seven, until they grow up. They are active with me, so they love to sleep with me also, even if they have their own room and they come to my room
Okay, so
because
1 years old
they're
one, 5 years old one, right? It's a 5 years old one.
yes.
Okay, okay, very nice.
Thank
Okay.
you.
How many years you want to work in Hong Kong?
Oh, it depends with my employer. I love to work. I love to serve them because in Middle East, ma'am, I work with my first employer for 5 years. Thanks God. And also for my second employer, they love me to stay more, but I continued for 5 years. So that's why I also depend my my work with them. Within these 5 years, I continue working. And when I decided to stay with my family also, because it's a sudden tragedy. Would I say my brother died last January, so I decided to come home. And my employer, this is my final job with them, so they accept it. Uh,
Okay,
and then that's it, ma'am. And after a year, now it's already at almost 10 months. I decided to work for another place, and Hong Kong is my second destination.
okay, I see. It's good that because you work in Middle East, it's over how many years in total in UAE?
Oh, it's more than 10 years, ma'am.
More than 10 years, right?
10 years more.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, I hope you
10 years
can
and
work
2 months, exactly like it.
10 years and 2 months. I hope you can work in Hong Kong and as long as you can. Okay.
Yes,
Okay. I know you have two kids, right? 14 years old and 16 years old. If you come Hong Kong,
yes, ma'am.
who will be the one who take care of them?
I have my husband with me. I have also my mother, and all my sisters and brothers. We are all together in one compound, but we have separate in rooms like that. So they can manage to see my kids, my children.
Okay, okay. I see. Okay, thank you so much. And can you cook Chinese food as well?
I learned to cook little Chinese food, but I love cooking.
You love
Yeah, I
cooking?
know it's easy. Yeah, I know it's easy to cook Chinese food more than Arabic, but for me, I cook more Arabic food. But of course, Chinese, it's not hard for me to do it.
Yes, as long as you're willing to learn, it's not difficult. It's not difficult. And can you do baking? Do you know how to do baking? Oh, maybe the signal. I know it's Typhoon 10 in Philippines.
And baking. But no problem for procedure. As long as there are procedures, guidance, instructions, I can bake.
Okay, so employer give you YouTube and or recipe, you can follow it, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am, I can do it because
Okay,
there are many teaching it in YouTube, in everywhere. There are instructions and guidelines. I can do it.
okay, okay.
It's
Very
simple.
nice. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. So good. Bye
Thank you,
bye. Bye
ma'am.
bye. Bye bye.